Okay, so welcome, and we are here at JavaDay 2016 with Borek. And
Tomasz
so,
Borek.
yes,
Tomasz Borek from Poland, from Geekon, from Polish Java User Group, and all the other nice group from Kraków. Hello to Kraków people, to Polish people, and to JavaDay 2016. I'm here at the Deveo booth with actually Kontulainen. Ilmari. Wow,
yes.
You have a very nice name.
Yes, thank you, you too. And it was nice that we were able to meet. And so basically, I would like to ask from you, Tomas, what do you think? What is the future of Java development tools and, well, the Java as an ecosystem in general?
Three things: cloud, big data, IoT. These are the three drivers which actually shape Java as it is now. They shaped 8, and they are shaping 9, and actually the coming releases. Because if Java will not do it, the other languages, which are also on the JVM, will beat her to it.
Oh, all right.
Right now in big data we have Python, Scala, and Java, and Scala has slightly better features and more comfortable syntax for the developers.
Right.
So trendy, so to say.
Yeah. Do you think Java is trying to catch up Scala, for example? Because
yes, definitely. Java has been doing that for quite some time. For example, when Hibernate came out, then the JPA appeared. When Spring came up, then actually the new standard for the EJB was much better. So competition is always welcome, and Scala is driving Java as well.
All right. And what would you say is from this conference, JavaDay Kyiv 2016, what would be the key takeaway or key learning so far? I mean, we have one day still ahead of us.
Oh, damn it. I would say that a number of talks are focusing on future. My own talk included, but I would actually say that it would be cool to take a look at the lectures. The hands-on labs. So there are a number of those, and in my opinion, being the guy who always learns most when I actually get my hands dirty, that would be my key points for learning.
All right. Hey, thank you, Tomas, very much.
Thank you, Imad.
So hello again from JavaDay Kyiv 2016, and here I'm with my new friend. So, how's it going?
Pretty good. I got everything done this morning. I sat on the keynote panel and then immediately went and gave an hour-long talk. So I've done all the talks I have to do, and now I get to kind of see the conference and not worry about my talk. So it's been good, and really interesting keynote panel. We had a couple of people from different segments of the Java world talking about the future of where Java is headed, and I think I learned a lot. Sometimes it's hard to know what people are interested in, what people see, especially the people who are doing what I do, working with it every day. We all have our own little picture of the world, getting that wider view.
Yeah, that's actually interesting. I wanted to kind of ask your view on what do you see as the future of Java development tools in general? So where is the future taking us?
The biggest thing I see with Java 8, which is happening with bringing lambdas in and looking at what's in Java 9, what's in Java 10 is, I could be snarky and say Java's becoming Scala. I mean, we have a lot of good things, but really what it is that functional programming is really becoming something that's accepted. It's part of what we're doing now, and you're seeing that come into Java. That Lambda, the streaming APIs, these things that we've had in Scala day one, and so we're starting to see that come in. And new optimizations. I mean, they're talking about improving the type systems and breaking things out into modules. And I think there's, after a long time of Java kind of being the way it is, they're starting to rethink the way they approach things. But it's going to be interesting.
Yeah, I think it's nice. Also, what I've seen is that the writing code has got more efficient in Java lately. What do you think?
Yes.
You get to write stuff easier, faster.
Yeah. Well, and certainly with Lambdas, I mean, for many years, what is it? Not Massachusetts, Guava, which is Google has a collections from so many people use. And it was essentially a functional programming thing. They had their own class called function you would implement and everything else. So I've seen so many libraries for years either these big complicated emulations of functions. So now it's very simple. When you look at even what we're doing with Akka and Play with the Java interface, you see lambdas and it's closer and closer. The development tools help. I use IntelliJ a lot. I really like IntelliJ. Certainly out there, but they help out a lot with boilerplate. That's the other thing. Java is reducing boilerplate. They were talking about, they were talking about essentially case classes of Scala, smaller boilerplate classes. The classic example when we start our beginner Scala training is we show like 20 or 30 line Java class that just sets hours and minutes, and then it's one line of code in Scala, and Java's getting that now too. They're getting boilerplate. Getting to their type entries is good. I mean, it's where language was 20 years ago, it's exactly where it is today. We're learning new things, we're finding people doing things differently. The cloud is a huge difference in
Sounds good. What do you expect, or what are your hopes from the conference? I mean, except your presentation, but something else.
Oh yeah, certainly. I hope my presentation got some interest in Ligam. Part of it too, I spent a lot of how it is, you kind of have your monoculture. Sometimes don't get the outside. I spent a lot more time at Scala conferences than I did at conferences. So seeing, as I said, I saw that on the panel, seeing more from my standpoint of what other people are doing, what I'm thinking, helps me kind of repicture, we do obviously work with Java as well as Scala, and really get each one. So I'm interested in certainly what other people are doing, like what we do with microservices, there's stuff about containerization, there's even a whole room for Internet of Things. I saw some of the Red Hat guys playing with Raspberry Pis. Okay, they've got to be doing something in just pointing it, and maybe almost walking into another sword fight. On my way to my talk this morning, there were two guys fighting with swords.
Yeah, the team is also nice. All right. Thank you for this. Wow. Okay, so here we are back again in JavaDay Kyiv 2016, and I'm here with my friend Itai Zilman, and we're talking about version control systems, Java, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, and so I would like to ask you, Itai, so what do you think, what is the future of Java development tools? Where are the things going?
So, as you know, as I told you, I'm somewhat biased. I'm not sure where Java, the language, is going. I think Java 8 was a big step forward, but Java 9 doesn't seem all that different. The runtime is hopefully will only be improved, but I think that we take a look at Scala and Clojure and Kotlin for emerging trends.
Okay. So you see that there is like more evolution and coming. So more people are switching to these new tools that are derivatives of the.
Yeah, I think enhancements. I think Java is trying to catch up. I was just in Java 1 2 weeks ago in San Francisco, and they were talking constantly about writing more declarative code and more functional code with lambdas and streams. And that is something that Scala has had for 6 years now. So I don't know. I hope that Java developers will embrace that, and Java code will be more declarative and functional. That would be really interesting.
All right. And what would you say would be like the key takeaway from JavaDay Kyiv 2016? What was the key learning for you?
So I caught some of a talk about Java versus OOP, about how Java, the language, actually abuses that term, and with static and final and mutability and so on and so on. And I think that talk really hit the nail on the spot.
All right. So hey, thank you, Ty.
Thank you.